Hi YouTubers, welcome to another video from Sort6233, and no, I'm not delving into the world of cassettes. This is actually given to me by a friend I met playing golf who asked me to have a look at it. So let's have a look at it together. Right, for attention of Jim Lynch, that's me, aka Sort6233, and when I open it up, there's a wee letter here. I won't show it, but it reads some of the parts. He wants me to have a look at it. He had it when he was a young boy, used to enjoy playing with it. It had been not set up for a while, so hopefully it will still work okay. So in other words, my friend had this train set as a youth, played with it, put it away, forgot about it, and then we just casually were talking about trains while playing golf, and I mentioned I tend to kind of fix them, haha, and he said, oh, would you have a look at this for me? So eventually he dug it out and he got it down to me. This top cover tells us that it's a Talisman. It's set number 215 from Hornby Dublo. I checked up this on my catalogues, and this apparently was built in 1960 and sold in the early 60s. Inside we've got a rather chewed up looking information leaflet. You can see a couple of what we call these blood and custard coaches, tin plate, but seem to be complete. Says the Talisman King's Cross to Edinburgh. Some track pieces including a manual operated point that seems to work. Some straight and curved track, I'm not sure what radius it will be. Some more curved track with a power track. A power supply here that's looking pretty much, oh dear, I don't know if that's corrosion or what's in there. Looks like the remnants of the packaging in here. Maybe I should have been wearing gloves. I'll wash my hands later on. Let me put that floor out of the way. And then here, look at the size of this baby. It says it's a power control unit A3. And when I lift the lid, look at this. Indicator lamp and the throttle control, the grey rubber wiring with the white plug on it. So let's put that to one side as well. Oh my goodness me, is that heavy. This, I think, is maybe a station platform and building. Again, some chewed ends. This I think is an extra. It's a TPO mail van set. That looks in pretty good condition. The box is in excellent condition. Still got, seems to most of the bits in there. And the coach itself. Metal wheels, got the couplers and the doors. I don't know if they work, not by a lever anyway. Is this electric? Oh, pick up some room, it's electric. There'll be a relay or something. Okay, let's leave that to one side. That's good. And is this what we've been looking for? And one other box inside. This is actually the box for the island platform that we saw earlier. When I lift the lid on that, now we'll get the locomotive. It's an A4 Pacific, and this is number 60030. It's the Golden Fleece. So, having removed everything from the box, this is what we've finished up with. We've got our locomotive, the A4 Pacific, in British Rail green, 2 blood and custard coaches. This is an extra one, this was not in the original set. Some track, again, I don't know how much is here. We've got one point, and we should have some of these end buffer stops, looks like it in there. Yep, so I think we've got enough to make a train set. So my friend said, put away long time ago, it hasn't been run in many a year. It probably would still work, but it obviously need, especially the locomotive, a bit of a strip down, check it all out, lubricate, and hopefully it might still run. I'll give these a wee check as well. Test out the TPO van, maybe try and set up a little layout and see if we can get this to go. The power supplies I shall deal with separately because I have to plug them into an insulated source and work very carefully with them before I apply them to the set. The box has been reduced to simple lid and 2 sides. I don't know if we can get a replacement. I've seen 1 or 2 on eBay for different sets. I don't know if this one's available, but we'll give it a go. At the end of it, hopefully this will get passed on to somebody else, and we'll see how that ends up. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm going to maybe make this a little bit of a series, I don't know, but obviously the first thing I work on is the Golden Fleece. So with that in mind, take care everybody, see you soon, bye for now.